Next, let's talk about how to target the brachialis, this muscle in between the tricep and bicep that runs all the way down there. You target the brachialis by doing reverse grip curls, all right, with what is called a pronated grip. Palms up is a supinated grip, palms down is a pronated grip, all right? So that type of curling targets the brachialis, and it also targets the forearm here too, all right? So this helps you to build all around bigger arms. So at least once a week you should be doing some type of reverse grip curling, which I recommend using an easy grip bar for, since it's most ergonomical, and you could do that on a barbell or a cable. Just when you're reversing your grip, make sure that doesn't cause you to flare your elbows a lot and turn it into more of a upright row like that. Okay, so here's what the proper form for the reverse easy grip bar curl looks like. So make sure you are doing that at least once a week.